Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Rami and in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email from Excel using VBA. Okay, it will be a basic VBA code that you can use on your own to practice writing this script. Okay, so I have my details here in front of me. I have the subject, the mail message. Before anything, I need to save this file as macro-enabled workbook. I will go to File, then I will click Save As. Then from the drop menu, I will select Excel macro-enabled workbook. Then I will hit Save. Now the file has been saved. First of all, I need to reference Outlook application to our Excel here. In order to start our own process, we need to go to the VBA code by pressing Alt and F11. This window, it will open in front of us. I will click on Tools, then References. Then from here, I will select Microsoft Outlook Object Library. Okay, so basically here, the version, it might be different on your screen. On my screen here, it's Microsoft Outlook 16.0 Object Library. I'll click OK. Then I will start my procedure by insert a new module. And I will write the name of my procedure, sub symbol email. Before anything, I need to declare some variables in order to let Excel open the Outlook on the background and we start to write the email by following the step on inside this sub procedure. I will declare the OL as Outlook dot application. I will name OLM as Outlook dot mail item. I would set my OL to equal new Outlook dot application, and I will set my OLM to equal OL dot create item. In bracket, I will select OL mail item. Close the bracket. I will hit enter. I need to get these fields from the Outlook, the to and the subject and the body. So I will mention here OLM dot that, because of course the to field, it's part of the Outlook email that we are creating, and the Outlook email, it's a setting in this area here. Okay, so OLM dot to equal, I can write the email here, info at something. I will also call the subject by writing the same thing. Here. And for the body of the email, olm.body equals, of course I can write the body here, okay, but instead of writing everything here at the VBA, I will, instead of this, I will refer to the field inside the Excel workbook. Okay, so for the olm.body, it will equal this sheet here. I believe that's sheet number 5 here. Okay, so sheet 5 dot range and my message, it's set in here in B4. Also for the subject, I will do the same. Sheet 5 dot range B3. 3. And for the email also, sheet 5 dot range B1. We can display our email now. OLM dot display. Basically that's it. Our Visual Basic Code is ready right now. Okay, the only thing that we need to do is to try this VBA is if it's working or not. I can click here on this button, or I can hit F5 from the keyboard. In my case, I will click F5 from the keyboard to run this script. Now the email has been initiated. I have the email here. It's been captured from our Excel sheet, the subject also, and the message. So we can, if we want to send the email, we can click send from here direct. Otherwise, since it's a tutorial video, I don't need to send this email. So I'll click no. In case you want to send the email direct from the VBA code here, you can add another line to be olm.send. And that's it. That's basically all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and wait for my next video. I will go through more details about how to send the email to multiple email addresses. Okay. Thank you again for watching the video.